Hello everybody and welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today I'm making a unique potato salad that is guaranteed to go with any dish you desire to serve it with. To get started, we need about 5 boiled potatoes. We need some vegetable oil. We need a bunch of green onions, a bunch of curly parsley, couple lemons, salt, pepper, paprika, and citric acid. I'm going to go ahead and peel the potatoes and cut the herbs and meet you back soon. I have chopped the potatoes into bite-sized cubes, and I also have chopped the herbs into substantial size. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some of the salt. And there's no precision in the salt. It's you just have to taste it as you go, or for the spices for that matter. You just don't want to do too much so that you can't take it away after you do it. You want to do it slowly, and then once you give it a mix, since there's no raw ingredients, you just want to take a taste and see if you like it, and add if more needed, like so. I'm also going to do the lemon juice, some oil. The oil is going to be the vehicle basically that marries all the flavors together. Alright, and I also have some lemon salt or citric acid. You want to be very light-handed with this because you can go overboard with it pretty quickly. Once that is done, we're going to give all this a good mix. And here is our potato salad. I hope you guys try it at home. It's super easy and versatile. If you do, leave a comment below. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon again.